is it ever worth buying a Facebook Marketplace bike? This video, I'm going to get my bike finished, ready for this MOT, because it is doing my head in. Let's go. Right, to get it sorted, I need to just tap these holes, which I've got the tap and die set now. Tap the holes both sides, which is there. I've got the mudguard. I've got to sort out this steering issue because the lights aren't working now. I've adjusted all this. I don't know, it's a nightmare, but I'm going to get it all sorted and hopefully next Saturday going to get this bike booked in to the MOT. Happy days. Let's go. Right, I'm going to cover that up because I don't want to get any oil, because I'm going to use WD-40 just to start the hole, help me a bit with the tap and die set. Oh god, I've gone for the cheapest ones. I don't know if you can see that, but that is proper cheap. But it's literally got to do the two holes, and that's it. Off of memory, I think you have to go in, back out, go in, like that, and then cut again, a bit more, back out. You gotta get that swarf out. But I don't really like doing this sort of stuff, to be fair, mate. Oh, this is. I don't know if anyone else has one of these pots, but I found some bolts for this. You can see how out of kiln that is, but I don't care because it works. So this one is my last one to try, and yeah boy, that's got firm grip. Cool. So I'm going to get the two halves of this together. I've got to find some little panel clips. I found some little screws which look pretty OEM, and yeah, let's hopefully, fingers crossed, this works. Right, excuse these two bolts here, they're not matching, but they got the clips on, and them two bolts sit right back in there, so you ain't gonna see it, but I'm hating doing this bike. Just got to drill out these holes here to take the bolts of that, and hopefully it should be on, but this is a freaking nightmare just trying to get this on. Right, that's done, that's on. It's not very good, but I don't know, it's good. Stop the cables going on. It looks a lot neater and stops all that mud getting up in there. I don't know, it's a bit movie where the brackets are snapped and yeah. I think the moral of the story is don't buy a bike on Facebook. Buy something nice. Right, so one more thing what I need to sort out is the steering on this bike. So when I didn't have a mudguard on, all the mud come up in on the inside and basically ruin the electrics. So if you have a look at this, this is what I've had to make to get this switch gear on. All the mud went in there, loads of water. So I'm going to take this apart. You can see it's filthy. I'm going to take this apart, clean it up. It will be soldered, or I think I did solder it, I can't remember. But I know it's something on this terminal. It could just be dirty, but it's quite hard to see. Yeah, so when I turn the key on, ignition's on, turn the lights on, I've got nothing. So yeah, that's also for the back as well, nothing's on. So go have a quick look at it, take it apart. More work to do, so yeah. Right, I think I got to the bottom of it all, people. So the kill switch would work, but the lights wouldn't. So I worked out that that big one there's the kill switch. This one's the lights. This cable I found was redundant when I was doing the soldering. The soldering looks alright. For what could this be? I was playing around with it. It's all this got wet though without the mudguard on. Now that's one we should be right. When I looked into here, which is, I think it was this one. He's gone. Here you are. He's gone, if you can see that on the camera. Which on here says tail light. So I'm going to check all these. We'll do that now actually. They look alright to be fair. I've got a 30 amp spare there. I don't have a 10 amp spare, so it's probably worth getting two 10 amps. One for spare, one for that. I could put the 30 amp in there, because that's a bigger ampage. Because this is all dry, it should be alright. Where's the keys? Put that on there, turn that on. Lights are on. Lights are bloody on, people. Let's switch it up. That's good. That's good. So there you go. That must have all got wet. So I didn't even need to do this. I've got to put all that back now. God's sakes. But yeah, I'm going to change that for a 10 amp because it ain't good running a higher ampage. Happy days. Now the problem's solved, people. Thankfully, in my box of bits, the old owner had left me an old fuse board, so I've topped them up, put new ones in there, so they're golden. Just going to tidy this up, and I think we're ready to book the MOT. But my question is to you, is it ever worth buying a Facebook Marketplace bike? This wasn't a Facebook Marketplace bike, this was. Is it worth it? I don't think so, but thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.